How does the YouTube algorithm work?
Stuck on YouTube growth? Let's fix it. 3 simple fixes to unlock your channel today.
In this video, I will reveal the secret. How does the YouTube algorithm work? If you are serious about your channel growth, this is the video you've been waiting for. I think your YouTube channel growth has slowed or plateaued. You're not alone. Many talented creators face the same roadblock. Great content, but limited reach. Why the YouTube algorithm is not working for your channel? The reasons are, these are the mistakes you have made, and fix them. Mistake number 1, SEO, poor optimization. Symptoms: low impressions, low views from search, and not appearing in suggested videos. Fixes:
Make sure to add the right keywords to your channel so YouTube knows exactly what your niche is.
Use relevant to video, high traffic keywords in low competition, in title, description, and tags. Improve thumbnail stints, bold text, contrast, emotional faces. Craft better title stints, curiosity plus keywords.
Mistake number 2, content lacks. Symptoms: random topics, no consistency in audience. Fixes: define your channel niche clearly to the audience. Who is your target viewer and what do they want consistently? Mistake number 3, no promotion. Symptoms: you rely only on YouTube's algorithm. Fixes: promote your videos on social media sites. Embed videos on websites and blogs. With these 3 fixes, your channel will really be back on track.
Now, you can take control and grow your channel, or let a pro handle it for you.
Here is the best way to fix it.
A 2-tier SEO strategy is designed to help creators unlock their channel growth efficiently. When your videos stop getting views, this method effectively brings them back to life. Your objective may be monetization, personal branding, business, affiliate, or CPA. Set any objective, and this can help you meet your goal.
You can find a proven 2-tier SEO expert online or on Fiverr.com to drive fast, to bring your channel back to life instantly. And or click the link in the comment box below to access the service. I will help you set up a 2-tier SEO to fix your channel in no time.